If you want to learn how to underline a text or a bunch of expressions in Google Doc, this video is for you. So I've opened a Google Doc and the title is my productivity plan. So I want to underline, a text. Let's say I want to underline my weekly productivity plan, So the first thing I need to do is to highlight what I want to underline. And in my case, it is my weekly productivity plan. Now come to the top bar here and look for the underline icon. So this is the underline icon, right? This is an underline icon. So I'm going to click on the underline icon. And as you can see, the statement, my weekly productivity plan has gotten underlined. If I want to remove this underline again, all I need to do is to highlight this same expression, and I would click on this underline feature once again, and it takes it out. Let's say I want to underline the whole expression from staying productive to control of my time. So all I need to do is to highlight the whole expression, and I will click on this underline feature. Then, as you can see, everything has gotten underlined. If I want to take the underline property out of the statement or expression, all I need to do is to underline it again, is to highlight it again, to highlight the statement once more, and I'm going to click on the underline feature, and it got taken out. What if I want to underline just a letter? Let's say M in my, I'll just underline the M. Now I'll click on this underline properties, and the letter has gotten underlined. If I want to remove it as well, I would highlight it first, and I would click on the underline properties again, and it got removed. So that's how you underline a text or a bunch of expression or statements in Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.